Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a new Twitter Space UI like bottom sheet in Flutter. Bottom sheets are popular design patterns used in mobile applications to provide a compact way of displaying important information or actions without taking up too much screen real estate. So as you can see on my screen, this is what you're going to be doing in this video. I've created a bottom sheet model in Flutter for creating a new Twitter space. So we have tried to mimic the one for Twitter, and most importantly, we're going to be having a keyboard layering on this bottom sheet. So by the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding on how to create a sleek and responsive Twitter space UI using Flutter. So without further ado, let's dive into the code. As you can see, we have a scaffold widget with the background color of that turns into that dark blue bar. And then we have a body with a padding widget. Then inside the padding widget, we have a column with the text as our title happening now. Then a subtitle spaces happening now. Then we have the floating button. That's where we're going to focus most. It's the one that will be triggering our model. We're going to be opening our bottom sheet. So as you can see, I've used the mic icon. So let's start on designing our bottom sheet. So I'll call it space model. We create a feature function here, feature widget. And this will be turning a showModalBottomSheet widget, which takes in the context and the builder, as you can see. Finally, our model has come up. Let's first correct this spelling. Create space. Okay. Let's save our project, run it, and we're good to go. Okay, so this is our model so far, and this is what you have accomplished. I've tried our best to mimic the one for Twitter. You can see when you turn on the keyboard and click in the input, our input is well aligning with the keyboard. This is all about the video today. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you in the next video.